go out to the van. So, if we remember.
I said stay.
I want to stay.
No.
She's not talking to you.
Have you seen the video of Cassidy singing Move It, Move It? Who? Cassidy?
What do you say?
Blocking this camera.
Yeah, it's cracked.
Let me see.
Look at the bottom.
No.
Oh my
And I
god.
keep pouring water out, and there's the water's inside. Dang it! I'll have to get another one.
I'm gonna put something back on the side. Oh, it's supposed to be nice on my face.
This looks like the character she's in the video game.
I'm the only one who got
Did I just tell you to stay?
Because I sat on the lazy river and I was laying down and Sky got out of the double perspective, so I'm like laying across the entire stadium. So I went on the lazy river what, 4 times. Zach, have you ever been to Quad City? Like swam?
Not swimming.
For playing games, yes.
I know you can do that.
What?
I'm just waiting for the cat to balk.
Oh, when he gets tired of it, he will.
Be like, get out of here.
Astrid, not so mean.
She's like, but this thing's new.
And she's not being mean. She's just.
She's heavy.
She's big. She doesn't know she's big.
She's got to get used to it.
She's like,
It'd be cute.
Belle and Maxie, for that matter, were both.
You should have heard. Yeah, he was so funny. It took us a while to get him out of the candy bush.
Well, you said.
Both Belle and Maxie were good dogs. Maxie, because. Or, not dogs, Snaps. Maxie, because all cats are like twice her size.
Here.
she's like,
Great cat.
but I want attention.
No, lay.
You
down.
just want
Stay.
attention.
Stay.
I forgot her name. His name.
Stay.
Tony, there was like
I don't remember. It was a cat that died.
wing nuts that came with it, but that's more for like if you, for one, if they get heavier, which he's going to be, and 2,
Yeah, you attacked him. You attacked her. Yeah, you attacked her. You can get it.
Get died.
now do you want to take him into the litter and
Yep.
set him in there for a little bit? And then, but I put him in the little, there was a little
Yeah.
thing on top, and I
Oops.
just put
What?
That's not how you hold it close to your